Show yourself that you are strong. Hello, friends. This is just a reminder to each and every one of us because many times we feel so weak and people look at us weak as well. But even you are feeling weak, show yourself that you are strong. And how can we do that? Prayers. Ask God for strength. Ask God to guide you, to give you the strength you needed on that very day. It is very important to show ourselves strong because that is the most positive thing in your life, to turn around the negative thing which you feel weak. Be strong even you are feeling weak.